Sherelle Roberts. Welcome back to the show. Hope you enjoyed getting to hear from Coach Elsie. Now at the table, we have another guest. It's Ashley Smith, and she's here to talk about an upcoming candle making workshop. Ashley, we're so glad to have you back. So tell us about this candle making workshop.
Well, next Tuesday, July 18th, we invite everybody in the community to consider coming out and joining Fly Girl candle owner Deidre Barnes at the Black Soil KY Fulfillment Center for a hands-on interactive candle making workshop.
Okay, you said interactive. It's not just candle making. What's the experience like?
Yeah, perfect word, experience. So we come in, we really bring you in to center you around first loving yourself, thus the meaning of Fly Girl Candle.
Gotcha.
And from there, we really focus on networking and building relationships and customizing a hand-poured soy wax candle. And then we venture over to Gray Line Station, support some of those local businesses there with food and drink, which is included in your admission. So you get to walk away with a candle that you curate. We'll have some food and drink and some fellowship and networking.
Oh, that's fun. I think it's always, like, do you find like women and men that come to this, or?
Well, usually we have ladies, moms, daughters, we've had grandmothers and their grandkids come out.
Cute.
But this is a family-friendly, everyone is welcome. It's a great way to express your creativity while walking away with a perfect gift you can give somebody.
Yeah, okay, so expressing creativity. So what skill level do you need to have?
I'm talking bare minimum. Can you pick out a scent that you like?
Yes.
Okay, can you then put pretty things on top of your candle to make it even more magnificent?
Maybe,
you
with a little
check
help,
the boxes. You qualify. And if you know how to use the internet, you can go to our website as well to get those tickets.
So Ashley, tell us about the website and how folks can get tickets.
Well, we invite you to visit blacksoilky.com, check out our events page, and you'll see the July 18th candle making workshop.
All right, Ashley, thank you so much for sharing with us.